Oh yeah, the Polish or actually Portuguese discount chain store Biedronka, or in other words Ladybug, is having a discount clearance sale on Parrot hydrofoil airborne cargo Mars. Unfortunately, only the airborne night blaze is left. I was hoping for the hydrofoil. So here's the current discount newsletter. As you can see, 129 Polish zloty, discounted from 229. So they were something like, I think, $63. Now it's something like $35.50. Although, as you've seen in the store, only the airborne night blaze left. I was hoping for the hydrofoil Orek, so let that one for somebody else. So cheers, enjoy, and let me know how much these are in your neck of the woods. Bye.